Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, the place where innovation meets elegance on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most electrifying entries in modern automotive history, the 2026 Ferrari Elettrica. Ferrari's first all-electric supercar, and a bold step into a sustainable, high-performance future. Let's start by taking in the sculpted beauty of the Elettrica's exterior. It's unmistakably Ferrari, low, aggressive, and fluid, yet every line feels like it's been pulled from the future. At first glance, it blends classic Ferrari proportions with cutting-edge aerodynamic design. The front fascia is sharp and focused, with a low-set nose and signature LED DRLs that sweep back like fierce eyes in the wind. Every vent and curve has a purpose, with active aero panels that adjust in real time to optimize airflow and efficiency. You'll notice subtle nods to Ferrari's heritage, like the way the roofline gently arcs, reminiscent of the 812 Superfast. But where the Elettrica breaks ground is in its smooth, nearly seamless bodywork. Gone are traditional grills, replaced with cooling intakes integrated so cleanly, they almost disappear into the form. The rear is a showstopper, featuring a full-width light bar, a floating rear diffuser, and a muscular stance that screams velocity even at a standstill. The iconic prancing horse sits proudly above a clean rear deck, illuminated in red. And the Elettrica rides on custom 21-inch forged alloys, wrapped in Michelin EV-specific performance tires, offering stunning looks and grip. Step inside, and the cabin is a masterclass in tech luxury fusion. The interior is minimalist but deeply immersive, crafted with sustainably sourced Alcantara, carbon fiber, and recycled leather. A wraparound digital cockpit dominates the driver's view, with a 15-inch curved OLED screen seamlessly integrated into the dash. Haptic feedback controls, gesture recognition, and AI-assisted driver modes elevate the interaction to a new level. Even the passenger has their own display, offering media control, navigation, and real-time performance telemetry. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just any electric car. The 2026 Ferrari Elettrica is powered by a quad-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 60 comes in just 2.1 seconds, and it tops out north of 220 miles per hour. It features torque vectoring so advanced, it reads the road and your intentions before you do. A 120 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery provides a real-world range of around 350 miles, with ultra-fast charging giving you 80% in under 20 minutes. But Ferrari isn't new to innovation, they've just taken their time to get it right. The Elettrica draws on decades of racing DNA, from Formula One hybrid systems to the LaFerrari's KERS technology. And now, they've created an electric platform that doesn't compromise what makes a Ferrari a Ferrari. The sound? Synthesized through titanium resonators and interior acoustics, tuned B.